What's going on, Facebook, YouTube? CFan4 coming at you. We got day 2 of big waves. Not as violent, but still pretty good sized waves. Yesterday I was filming, I stopped at this spot. I meant to hit the zoom button and hit the stop record, so that's what happened with that. Oh, I'm getting wet. Oh, no, I didn't get wet on that one. Thought I was going to. Standing on a rock, so I'm kind of losing my balance a little bit. Oh, here comes a big one. Here it comes. Yeah, I got a little spray on that one. Alright, so oh, yep, fell off the rock. Alright, so you can see the break wall has definitely ended up in the water. The waves washed the sand out from underneath the break wall and it just completely laid down. Used to be about five rocks high, and now it's completely flat down there. Still got some right here, but they are laying down. You can see how the water comes in. Yeah. You can see how the water comes in through the rocks and washes out the beach. Anyways, that dune over there used to be connected with this dune over here. This is the erosion problem that they're dealing with at the Portage, Indiana Riverwalk. So yesterday, we had some big waves yesterday. Woo! Getting wet. Dang, that was a big one. Dang, that one's running all the way up there. So anyway, like I was saying yesterday, this is crazy. Yesterday, we had a creek forming going right into the pond. Now, if you watch the video from 3 days ago, there was no water. I mean, inches deep in the pond. Inches deep. There's a seagull. He's like, check this out. Nature will find a way. Nature will find a way. There's my wife. But you can see how the waves from yesterday going over the reeds. They're all laying down flat. Some of them are even washed out all the way up to there. Keep getting a big glare off the water. Gonna get wet. Are you going down the beach? We're going down the beach or what? Are we going down the beach? I gotta get the sun out of my eyes. Can't see crap. So yesterday, or earlier today, looks like the water was coming all the way up here. There's the pond.
It's coming up here too.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Yep. Did you see that one that went all the way up that way?
Hi, Kelly. Aren't these waves crazy?
It's not the ocean.
It's not the ocean, it's just like a spinning car.
It's like walking in mud now. So here, look. Every once in a while it sneaks up on you. So look, the water was going all the way up to here.
Yeah, look, yesterday, or today. It was bad yesterday.
Right here's where it stops.
Yeah, look, your little pond has some water in it.
Yeah, it's got quite a bit of water in it now.
That's the line.
Yeah. Facing into the wind again, so might get loud. Yeah, washed away our footprints already, didn't it?
Yes, these waves are crazy. Especially seeing from yesterday. These aren't as bad as yesterday.
No, these were just rollers today. They were like all over the place yesterday.
Yeah.
Crisscrossing like that,
Yep.
but everywhere. I'm surprised there's nobody surfing today.
You walk down to the famous house, it's all flooded.
Yeah.
Look at that, They're at the boogie.
Are we walking down there or what?
I'm walking right here. Be here for a minute, see if they come up as high as we are.
Yeah, well, it's gonna.
Oh, shit!